Do you want to improve your singing and playing skills? Then you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ear training exercises you should not skip as a beginner. So the first exercise is pitch matching. So it can be on any instrument, it can be on piano, violin. So is either you download the app through your phone or you have somebody to help you play any note or any key on it, then you sound it, which means you match the pitch. For example, ta, 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 ta. You do that for 3-5 minutes. It will help you understand how pitch varies, or it will help you sound any pitch you hear at all. Number 2 is singing scales and arpeggio. Most importantly, just pick your major scale on any key. It's not compulsory, it should be on the key of C, and play the major scale or minor scale. So C major, so which is la 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 la. We'll do it octave higher and octave lower. So we're gonna do da 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 da. You might not be able to go as low as that. If you know you can't go as low as that, you can just take it up. So the key of C you played, da 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 da. Immediately you sing the arpeggios. Da 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 da. You go to the next one again. Da 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 da. You go to the third. Da 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 da. You go to the fourth. Da 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 da. You go to the fifth. Da 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 da. You go to the sixth. Da 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 da. You go to the seventh. Ti da ti 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 da ti. Then you go back to the root again. Da, 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 da. I would advise you do it on all the keys. Then once you're done sounding it with maybe la la or ha ha, you can now sound it again in solfa notation. For example, the key of C, do mi so mi do, re fa re, mi so ti so mi, fa la do la fa, so ti so re, la mi do la. See, this most delicate part you need to get to. The 7 is always tricky. You have to be careful when you get there. So ti re fa re ti. If you look at it like, oh, it's not comfortable. Yes, that's it. You don't feel too good on those notes, but it's good you do it. Then you go back to the octave. Do mi do. You do that. Pick another key again. Let's say A. Do re di da so la ti do ti la so fa mi re. Do mi do re fa la re mi so ti so mi, and so on like that. You do that regularly. Next exercise is interval recognition. Let's pick the scale of the key of C, for example. You always pick the root, the starting key, to judge your next key, because interval means the distance between two notes. So you are going to do it in 2 ways. You are going to do it in major interval, you are going to do it in minor interval, and you do it in chromatic interval. I will show you this. For example, you start with this ta, 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 ti, ta, ta. Let me do it in minor interval. Ta, ta. You see, that's a delicate, they are very similar, so you have to be very careful. So ta, 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 ta. So that is minor interval. Then the next one, you now do it in chromatic pattern. So you do this. Ta, 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 like that to the end of the scale. Then there are also, these are called extensional interval, which is in octave. You're going to do this. Ta, 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 ba, ta, 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 la, la, ti, ti, do, do. You hear something like this. You can do it down too. The next is melody dictation. You can pick up a simple melody from rhymes to hymns, recite it, dictate it. For example, let's say a simple melody like "Joy to the world, the Lord has come." You just that simple phrase, you pick it and just sound it over and over again. See, I can bet you that if you've done the scale very well, by the time you sing it slowly, ta ta da da, ta da da da, you're going to hear those notes in suffer note in your mind. So if I'm to sing that in suffer note now, is do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. You see that? And that's a good melody to start with because it looks as if you are playing the scale downward. Look at it. Even on any key. Let's go to E flat. Simple melody like that. Let's go back to C. Ta, ta, da, da, ta, da, da, da. So you now need to, okay, let me play the scale. Oh, this is what matches, like what I've said in my last video. This is what matches with that first note. So it's going to be ta. The next one, if you notice that pitch goes down. Ta. Oh, it's to, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Let us do another one like, are you sleeping, brother John? Just that simple phrase. Just recite it again or dictate it again. La, 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 la. Depending on how long you spend in reciting your major scale, you are going to hear it once you take it 2-3 times. Like when you are calm, you can close your eyes. You take it 2-3 times. Da, 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 da. You're going to hear that melody in respect of the major scale in suffer notation. So let's say you couldn't get it. Just take the first phrase. Are you sleeping, brother John? Stop there. Try to say it in recite it again. Da, 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 da. Go to your scale on the piano. Which of the notes of this scale sound the first one I'm looking for? Is it this? You can see it's not the same. Is it this? No. It matches. You can see this is when they are the same. That is it. So from there, since you know your scale to be do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, you can now say it in suffer notation. Try as much as possible to dictate a lot of melodies. Write them down. For example, you've learned joy to the world, the Lord has come. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. You write it down in one place. You pick another song again. Are you sleeping, brother John? Do, re, mi, do, mi, fa, so. You pick another one again. Old MacDonald had a farm. Do, 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 so, la, la, so. Then, in your leisure time, when you are free, you can just keep singing these suffer notes. It will sink in your memory as time comes. Write a lot of suffer notes down. Any song you like, start from the song you like. Let's say, for example, you like the song, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. So, write it down. Try to sing it over and over again when you are free. Maybe when you are just at the park or at the beach, just put it. That's your music book. See, in no time, you find out that you will hear song and you're able to pick it up immediately. The last one is called identification. If you are able to understand melody dictation, you should be able to identify chords. So for example, on the key of C, I'm going to play the chords, most especially the major chord called 1, 4, and 5. I'm going to play them in broken chords, which means chord 1. I'm going to play them in root position. Then chord 4 is similar to the scale and arpeggios you've done. You'll split them, break them. You can go to also minor chord. Then you sing it after again in sofa notation. Do, mi, sol, fa, la, do, sol, ti, re, la, do, mi, re, fa, la. Or you come down. Re, fa, la. You do that. You also sound them in their inversions. For example, chord 1. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ta. I'm only playing roots on my left. Ta, ta, ta. You do that to all the chords. You can also do to the minor too. Then after you've done the broken chords, you then do the block chord, which means da. You're going to sound the root of the chord, which is you're going to hear it on the left hand. Da, da, da. That is for the major chord. Also for the minor, ta, ta, ta. Just sound the root of the chord. It will help you when you hear a song to identify the chord progression of the song easily. These exercises will help your music ear to be open. These are the 5 exercises you need to do regularly. But take note of this. Don't do all exercises in one day. It's like a stage. Finish stage 1, then you go to stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. Because if you miss stage 2 or stage 1, it will affect you doing stage 5. So learn them in stages. Once you complete one, then you go to the next one. Finish one, pitch matching. Once you're able to match any pitch, good. You go to the next one. You will know if you are able to do it. Nobody needs to tell you that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, share with friends and family, and see you in my next video.